I am Surekha. So, today we'll begin with our lesson 2, A Gift of Chappal, from the revised edition of Fragrance from Cordova Publication. This lesson is been written by Vasanta Surya. She is known for her investigative articles, features and reviews, poems in English and Tamil, translations and children's story. Let's begin with our scene 1. In our scene 1, we can see that Mrudu's entry at Ravi and Meena's house. Now let's begin with our lesson. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mrudu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mrudu. She set them out nearly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks for the 2 big toes were long and scrawny. That means when Mrudu enters to Ravi and Meena's house, Rukumani, she opens the door. Ravi, he holds Mrudu's hand and pulls her inside the house. Mrudu, protesting, she says, Ravi, wait, let me take off my slippers. When she takes off her slipper near a large pair of black ones, she sees that the large pair, which was black, was grey with dust, and you can clearly see the large footpath of each slippers marked on the marks of the 2 toes, which means that this slipper was the old one. Next, Mrudu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slipper they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitterberry bush. There, inside a torn football linked with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. In our second paragraph, you can find that when Ravi he pulls Mrudu inside the home, Mrudu, she has no time to wonder whose slipper was this, because Ravi was dragging her to the backyard behind the thick bitterberry bush, where he has kept a little very small kitten near the torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, and she was lapping up, drinking milk from the coconut half shell. In our third and fourth paragraph, you can see that how Ravi is sharing some secret about the kitten. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing, poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret, Amma says. Patti will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Here, Meena says, she shares a secret with Mrudu that we have found this little kitten near our gate and this morning, and it was mewing and mewing very badly. Might be that she might have forgotten the way to her home, or she might have lost her mother. Whatever might be the reason. But Meena again shares a secret that if Amma, it is a secret that Amma says Patti will leave for Paddu Mama's house if she is going to know that we have kept a kitten at home. But Ravi, he protests and he says, people are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are kind to them, they scream, Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. And here, Ravi says that only the elders, they suggest as that we should always be kind to animals. But when we are kind to them, we children are kind to them, then our elders, they usually say, oh, don't bring that dirty creature. And do you know how hard it is to just get a little milk for the kitten? It's too difficult for us, for we kids, to have some milk for this kitten. Now, in our next paragraph, we'll come to know the difficulties in getting milk for the kitten. Patti saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her, I'm very hungry. I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. When Ravi, he goes to the kitchen to have a glass of milk for the kitten, he has to throw off the scent so that Patti could believe on him that he is really too hungry. He goes to the kitchen, he asks Patti, he takes a glass and fills it with milk, and when Patti she's over him, he says he's very hungry, he want to drink some more milk, and most of the milk he has drank in front of Patti to ensure her that he is not telling lie and he is really very hungry. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Patti, Patti, I will wash it with myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler, put it back before she could really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. And Ravi says कि when he is taking milk from the tumbler, Patti watches her and he assures her that Patti, don't worry, I will wash the tumbler and I'll again put it in the kitchen. You don't take the trouble. And he rushes out to feed